Hi, it's Nancy Walker. Today I'm going to show you how to make fire starters out of egg cartons, lint from your dryer, and candle wax. So it's nice to have fire starters in case you don't have kindling and you want to have a nice fire when it's chilly out, which it still is up here in the mountains, and we're having a new storm coming in next week. Also, since we're at home, good time to make them, right? And save them for when you need them, or if you'd like to give them as a gift during the holidays, that would be nice. So I'm going to turn the camera and show you what I'm doing. First, we're going to melt the candle wax in a can in a bath of water on the stove. And this is something you want to do when you're going to be staying in the kitchen so that you don't leave it on the stove. And whatever you do, do not put the can on the burner without the water bath. Very dangerous, okay? So I'm going to turn this now so you can see what I'm doing. Here's the water bath, and it's simmering away. I have water about halfway up, and this is what the finished product looks like. And I happen to buy a lot of eggs at a time, so this is a flat of eggs, right? And we're going to make our fire starters out of this. You can use a regular egg carton if that's what you have. But first, what we're going to do is we're going to put the lint from the dryer into the egg carton. So I'm going to move this over here so you can see that a little bit better. Basically, you don't want to make it too packed in here in your egg carton. Just take some lint from your dryer and you can kind of get a feel for how much it needs. If you put too much in, what happens is the wax will not permeate all the way through your lint. So this is a great way to use up that dryer lint. Save it. Okay, now, interestingly enough, when you are melting the wax, the can actually doesn't get very hot. I don't know why, but it doesn't. So when it's partially melted, you want to take it out and start pouring it into the egg carton like so. I like to fill it all the way to the top of each little section. You'll find if you start in the middle, it's easier because the less melted wax that's in here, the easier it is to get into the side ones. Okay? And you're just going to fill it all the way to the top. Now I've got more wax in here to melt, to continue melting, so we're going to do that. Now once you have it all filled up to the top, like I did for this one, then you're just going to cut the sections with a good pair of pruning shears, or if you have some good kitchen shears. I like to do 2 by 2. So in this case, since I've got 3 rows of 2, I'm going to cut this with my shears like so, and then like so. And it's pretty easy to do. Then you're going to have your little fire starter. You're going to put it on top of your logs, as I mentioned earlier, and that's going to make it really easy to start your fire. So really simple. If you have any questions, you know where to find me on Facebook. You can just text me or message me, and I'd be happy to answer any questions. So I hope you have fun with it, and I hope that you're having a wonderful sanctuary right now. It's all in how you look at it, right? Okay, bye-bye.